If your home has ever felt a little dull or lifeless, you're not alone. The truth is, even one indoor plant can instantly transform a space by adding color, freshness, and a sense of calm. But not all plants are the same, and choosing the right one can make all the difference. Before we continue, if you love gardening and want access to our exclusive plant guides, advanced tips, free ebooks, and premium videos, make sure to join the Balcony Garden Web membership. Members get special members-only content that we don't share in regular videos. So join now and take your gardening skills to the next level. Whale fin snake plant is a true statement plant known for its bold single-leaf look. It's extremely low maintenance and thrives in well-draining soil, making it perfect for beginners who sometimes forget to water. King Anthurium is a slow-growing beauty, but once it matures, its long dramatic leaves can become the highlight of any indoor space. It loves humidity, so it works especially well in a bathroom or near a moisture source. Dieffenbachia is a lush indoor plant that looks beautiful and can also help improve indoor air quality. With occasional watering and simple leaf cleaning, it stays glossy, fresh, and healthy for a long time. Alocasia Tiny Dancer stands out with elegant stems that seem to move and bring energy to every room. In the right conditions, it can grow tall and thrives in bright indirect light with a bit of humidity. Geogenanthus adds a unique touch with its slightly purple-toned leaves, helping break up the usual sea of green. It prefers indirect light and only needs watering when the soil has dried out completely. Pink polka dot plant is compact, colorful, and perfect for small spaces that need a bright pop of color. It thrives in humid environments and looks stunning in terrariums or cozy indoor displays. Alocasia Milo is known for its thick, textured leaves that create a bold, structured look. It prefers indirect light and should be protected from harsh sun to prevent leaf damage. Norfolk pine brings a soft evergreen feel indoors, especially during winter months. It's easy to maintain and only needs moderate light along with minimal watering in colder weather. Calathea White Fusion offers beautiful variegated leaves that can even show hints of purple in the right light. It thrives in bright indirect light and adds a dynamic visual touch to any room. Bay laurel tree is not only decorative but also useful because you can pluck fresh leaves for cooking. It is low maintenance and adapts well to both pots and outdoor planting. Wintergreen berries are a seasonal favorite that can handle the colder months with ease. Their minty scented leaves and bright berries make them both functional and decorative. Christmas cactus is different from desert cacti because it prefers humidity and softer light. It blooms beautifully in winter, adding color when many other plants stay quiet. Moonshine snake plant has a silvery tone that makes it stand out from more common varieties. It's extremely easy to care for and tolerates low light conditions very well. Purple passion plant adds drama with its vibrant purple color and soft velvety texture. It needs regular watering and moderate light to maintain its rich color. Red Chinese evergreen is perfect if you want a mix of red and green foliage indoors. With proper watering and indirect light, it grows well and may even produce flowers. Bird's nest fern is one of the easiest ferns to grow indoors, thanks to its moisture-loving leaves. It prefers indirect light and only needs watering when the soil feels dry. Zebra plant is a compact succulent with striking striped patterns. It needs bright light and very careful watering to avoid overwatering. Majesty palm works beautifully in empty corners, adding height, texture, and freshness. It's easy to care for and can also help improve indoor air quality. Prayer plant is unique because its leaves fold at night, giving it a living, dynamic feel. It's perfect for low-light spaces and is very beginner-friendly. Monstera, also known as the Swiss cheese plant, is loved for its large split leaves. With the right light and watering routine, it can grow into a bold indoor statement piece. Indoor plants do more than decorate your space, they change how your home feels. And the best part is this: there is a perfect plant for every light level, every space, and every lifestyle. If you want more smart plant choices, simple care tips, and hidden gardening secrets, make sure to subscribe and keep growing with us.